Hey guys, today I will show you how you can send and receive crypto using your Exodus wallet on the mobile app. This works on both iPhone and Android. So first, what you need to do is open the Exodus interface, and once you've set everything up, it should look similar to this. From here, you'll be able to send and receive different cryptocurrencies. You can select any coin to view its details and also get its unique address. For example, if I tap on Bitcoin, you'll see the current price, a chart, and even the option to exchange Bitcoin. At the top, you'll notice two buttons, one with an arrow pointing left and one with an arrow pointing right. If you want to send Bitcoin, click the left arrow. That opens the Send Bitcoin screen where you can enter both the amount and the recipient's Bitcoin address. You can type in the amount in either Bitcoin or USD. So for instance, if I want to send 20 USD, the field will automatically convert it into the equivalent Bitcoin value. After that, just paste the recipient's address in the box below. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and click Send. To receive, click the right arrow. This will display your Bitcoin address and QR code, which someone else can scan or you can use with an exchange. Just remember, if you're sending Bitcoin, you must be on the Bitcoin tab. And if you're sending Ethereum or another coin, you'll need to switch to the right tab. You can also add more cryptocurrencies by clicking Add More. Thanks for watching.